What's going on, guys? It's your boy Creed here back with another video. And I'm not sorry, but I'm not so proud of myself, but I'm uploading a lot recently. And it's a reason why is because, like, I've been on a dry streak from uploading for a really long time, and I really just want to put content up on my channel for you guys. I know I haven't been hitting that much trick shots and stuff like that, but I do have like one of my best trick shots I have ever hit. Like I don't think anyone has seen it yet, but it's like one of my best trick shots. I hit it last night, and what's that thing called? It's like team deathmatch, but it's like 3 teams at the same. You have like 2 players on each team. You know what I mean though. And I hit a freaking 1440 or whatever, I think it was 40, and it was insane. Like, when I mean insane, I mean insane. But yeah, like, I haven't been uploading that much, so I want to upload more and like constantly and everything like that. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't show you the freaking clip right after. I just wanted to like troll you guys for a second. And don't ask me why the heck I have freaking outside in the background, because I didn't have a video to put in the background of this video. So yeah, just like, don't ask why. Please just don't ask why. Not to feel it's bald. But yeah, so probably when I get done talking, I mean, never, but I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can see the clip. So yeah, it's Creedy here. So make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, it's been about Creedy. I'm out. Peace.